Welcome back. In this video, we'll be making windows and doors. The excitement will overwhelm you. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, here we go. We're going to do bifold doors first because they're loaded somewhere else weird. So here we go. We're going to go to doors. We have to go to the share drive for this because we don't have them loaded. At least I don't think we've done that yet, since we need double bifold doors. Nope, we have just single. So click load family. This is why I'm doing this here, not at home. Click this little bar here, go share drive, scroll down, find Voith. It's under Autodesk Seek Files. And you need the 4-panel frame. These actually have mirrors on them, so in a render these should look cool. So we're going to, once I get loading, as I wait patiently, there we go. If you don't like the size, which I don't, let's make these 6-footers. Try to center those as best you can. One there and one there. So there we go there. Okay. Then we're just going to do our basic doors, our 30 by 80 doors. 30 by 80s doors. You know where you're at, go ahead and just do it. There we go. Okay, we need one that goes here. Get across from there. Try to line it out towards the same spot. There you go. Need one that goes here. My original plan called for different. I don't like it, so I'm going to put it here. Wait, no, I can't put it there. Yep, it's got to go here. There, because we have stairs that go there. Here. Space bar. Here. And here. So it walks into a master closet. Okay. We need a 2-panel door here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the ones I've loaded. If you want to use the one with the mirror, go ahead and grab it. Otherwise, these should work out just fine. Okay, so we got those in. We need to do an archway, and then we got this done. So, components. You should have an archway previously loaded from the last drawing. It's probably under A. Nope. Archway. I don't see it. Okay. Let's go to load family if you don't see it. Openings. I'm going to do door openings. Just do a basic one, nothing fancy. Dump that right here. Okay, and that's it for that. Next, window. Lucky for you, all the windows are exactly the same. So, the 36 by 84, I'm going to dump them, and I'm going to dimension them where they need to be. So, just put them in places, and we will dimension them to the exact spots here in a moment. So, I'm just going to dump these in here. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. These are different right here. I was off on something. So these need to be 24 by 48. So boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's do some dimensioning. You love dimensioning. Okay, remember outside, middle, middle, next one. We're going to dump that. Then we're going to go this way. There we go. Same thing down here. There. I apologize for the jump there. My first idea of doing the EQ did not work. I'm not entirely sure why. I'm going to check 3D real quick to make sure there's nothing strange going on that I can't see. Nope, looks fine. Okay. So second floor, we're just going to do this the old-fashioned way. It doesn't really matter which way these are turned, but we'll make the arrows go out. So, added your dimensions. Okay, dimension there. Okay. So, click on this window. This should be 3.6. That's set. This one 3.6. Also 3.6, 3.6, 3.6. Pretty easy. All right, this one. Now make sure you're keeping track of which one you're moving. I want this one with a weird number. So 7.4. If it overlaps, don't worry about it. This one here, 3.6. Most of them are 3.6. So just to make your life easier. This one here, another 7.4. It beeped at me, and guess what? 3.6. Got that done. Move to the top. Now, here we go. We're going to make your life really easy here. Ready? Modify, align. I'm going to align this with this. It will automatically do it for me. Cool tool, isn't it? So you with you, because houses like to be symmetrical. Otherwise, they're not very happy. Okay, this guy right here, we're going to go 7. This guy right here, we're going to go 9. Okay, your windows are now set. Your second floor is pretty much done. So you are good to go. All right, we're going to, I'm not sure why that's there. We're going to head to the basement, and I think I'm just going to keep on the same video and start this off. So here we go. All right, here we go to the basement. I'm sure I just said that twice. If I did, I'm sorry. I had to pause real quick. All right, to draw a basement, you have to start in the foundation first. You should see the outline of your floor plan. If you do not, there's this thing called the underlay. It's down here in your properties menu. Make sure this says first floor, top, second, and looking up. Hopefully this works out with no problem. All right, wall, you're going to go to 12-inch concrete. Okay. Your the line lock should be finished face exterior. This should go down to the teal footings because we need to go all the way down to the end or to the base of the house. So go ahead and draw it out. Trace around the outside of your place. Try to zoom in on the sides and line it up as you go. If you somehow mess up, you can do an align tool to fix that, but it's much easier to do it right the first way. So take your time as you do this so it's done right. So make sure you get every little thing down here. Okay, you got that? Bravo. We're also going to do the garage, but that's going to be a little bit different at the end. We're going to change it later on, but right now we're just going to leave it as is. Okay, there will be nothing under the garage. We will change it. Okay, I would like you to real quick go to something called the elevation. So go to your south elevation. Okay, so this is what you just did. You just drew this thing all the way down here. Okay, so far this looks pretty good. So we got everything in. Yes, you have a gap here. This will be fixed later. Don't worry about it. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to make a change to one of the elevation walls, to one of the foundation walls. So let's go back to foundation. Okay, these walls right here. I want you to click these 3. Actually, you can draw a box over it, select all, because it won't hit this stuff upstairs. Click Edit Type, Duplicate. We're going to go Foundation, 8 inches. Press OK. Hit Edit. Change this to 8 inches. Press OK. Press OK. Now this is thinner. As you see, it stayed lined up with the outside. So make sure you have that. Very, 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 very important. Like with mini houses, a lot of the walls and stuff line up from top to bottom. It often helps with the load-bearing walls and the supports. So we're going to do the same thing. So I want everyone to click on the first floor, please, again. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to filter. So we're going to select from down here to all the way up to here because I want all these. Don't get the door out here though. Okay. At the bottom of your screen, you should see a little number down there. Mine says 29. Yours may be more or less depending on your amount of windows that you installed. Okay. Hit filter. We're going to check none and just check walls. That's all I really want. And press OK. This will just select only my walls. Okay, we're going to do a copy. You can press Control C or you can do copy to clipboard. Okay, then we're going to go paste to align to select levels and click basement and press OK. Okay, go to the basement. There's your walls that you put. Yes, the doors came with it. I'm not going to worry about that right now. That usually happens with this. So next is the stairs. So we're going to first floor, and in this I'm going to teach you to do something a little bit different than just making stairs. I'm going to teach you how to do some modeling lines. Okay, so click on model line, and this allows you to make some basic geometry. I'm going to click on this end. I'm going to go over. Ooh, that's short. We'll go over 8 feet 8 inches. Sounds good. And then I'm going to go down 9.5. I'm going to take that. I'm just going to put it over the wall right here. Okay. So we did some basic lines. What this is going to help us do is going to help us line it up a little bit. So click stairs. Okay, when you load stairs, you get some basic tools. Here's your treads. Remember a while ago where we were talking about treads being standard size? It's 11 inches. Okay, you can adjust the number of risers. If you do that, then it will adjust your angle. You can go deeper if you wanted to. If you click Edit Type, you can go over here and you can really start to adjust some of the widths and the heights of the risers. I'm not messing around with that right now. So for what we're doing, we're just going to keep it simple. So first thing, line lock should be on right. Here's what I'm going to do. Click here. You see at the bottom of your screen, I wish I could point. It says 8 risers, 8 remaining. That's what I want. So I'm going to click here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move my mouse over to this side. Then I'm going to move it down, and it automatically knows where my gap is supposed to be and where it starts and where it ends at. I click again. I press check mark. And now I have stairs. If you wish to see this, let me show you something else. Okay, we'll just go 3D. We'll make it easy. I was going to do a camera, but I'll do it later once we have a floor in. And there are my first stairs. Yes, you'll see the little line, but it won't show up in any renders. So that's one done. So that one's knocked out. While looking in 3D, guys, I made a mistake, but it's a good mistake, so I want to teach you something real quick. These stairs originally are supposed to run the opposite direction. So this should be going up here. So this should be the landing, and this should be upstairs here. So here's how we fix it. It's a really quick fix. If you click these stairs, you click Edit Stairs. All you have to do is up here at the top it says Flip. Click that. And you see what it's doing? Oink, 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 like that. So that's how you make it go the opposite direction. And this is what I really want. So now they're correct. Okay, head to the basement. Alright, so now we're going to do stairs going up from here to the other floor. We are now going to make the basement stair with the short time we have left in this video. So here we go. Stairs. Okay. You'll first get this. You need to change this to open 2 sides. And the most important thing about this is that the foundation is changed to first floor. 15 risers it should be. Okay, here we go. Click along the side of this wall here. And I'm going to go up 7. So make sure this says left, by the way. So this should say run left. So click here, go up 7. Then you move your mouse, you line it up, you go to the other 8. Now this is not straight on, which I don't like this. Click these stairs, use your arrows to notch it forward to where that's a little bit of a square corner. Press check mark, you now have stairs. Okay? I want you to see what this looks like real quick. So go up here to the little house. There's a camera. I want you to dump a camera right here. Draw it out. And once it loads, you can now see your stairs. Yes, we don't have floors. You can expand it out, but I wanted to see what you did. So we're all finished with this video now. We'll see what's next. Talk to you guys later. Bye.